I landed in Chiang Mai and sat on my bed for an hour, scrolling photos. Nobody to text. Nobody who knew what my day would look like. That anonymous feeling is what we're fixing today.
Oh man, been there.
Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, episode 18. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell, and today we're walking through a tiny system, the continuity kit, that helps you feel known from place to place, so your relationships actually stick.
Quick contrast. I walked into a co-working cafe in Lisbon last month, and someone across the room waved because they'd seen me at 2 different spots that week. It was weirdly grounding.
Exactly. Those repeat cues make a place feel smaller and friendlier. The continuity kit is 3 portable signals, a habit anchor, an appearance token, and a conversation ritual. Tiny, repeatable, testable in 1 week.
Let's start with habit anchors. Keep it 2 to 5 minutes. Something visible or shareable. I do 5 push-ups and a cold splash before coffee.
Nice. Mine's a morning playlist check-in. I open the same playlist, pop on headphones, and if someone asks, I say, "This is my get-going song." It's tiny, but it's a hook for follow-up.
And the best way to share it is permission-based. Rather than announce, try, want a 1-minute energy reset? That makes it an offer, not a show.
Right, an invite. Low friction wins. Keep that habit public just a couple times so people can notice. Then you can reuse it as a thread later.
Next, appearance tokens. Small, repeatable details. Scarf, scent, a shaved line in your beard, a delicate necklace. Something people can spot again and say, "Oh, I recognize you."
Important pause here. Don't make it a costume. If you love a necklace, fine. If you hate accessories, don't force it. Authenticity beats gimmicks every time.
I worry some people will hear token and think it's staged. Like, are you putting on a show to get friends?
Totally fair. Try this phrase. This little thing keeps me grounded. Do you have anything like that? It's permission-based and invites reciprocity. Test for 3 uses. If it feels off, drop it.
Love that. Okay, third signal. A conversation ritual that moves quick small talk into a thread. We'll do this in short beats so you can copy it easily.
What's the best small win you've had today?
Nice. Friendly. Invites pride. 1 word back channel. Nice.
Then deeper. What are you building or exploring right now?
And finish with an actionable little ask. If you could add 1 small thing to your week that would make it better, what would it be? That last one plants a seed for a follow-up invite.
The real skill is in listening. Echo 1 detail as a statement, not a question. For example, that pottery class sounds grounding. Then tuck an invite. I'll be near that studio Friday. Want to grab tea afterward? Specific, low pressure, actionable.
Shall we show a short role play to make it feel real? Quick scene. Hostel bar. Sam sits next to Nina. I'll be Nina. You be Sam.
Hey, I like that song you had on earlier. Mind if I ask what it is?
It's my short morning mix. I always play it when I need to
Get going for the day. Love that. What's the best travel find you've had recently?
Quick win. I found a cafe with the best flat whites. If you're around tomorrow, I could show you the spot. What about you?
Sam, a 24-hour bakery. Also trying to learn Portuguese. Want to trade running routes and language tips tomorrow morning?
That's the whole point. Habit, token, ritual, then a specific plan. Short, memorable, and repeatable.
Okay, practical 1-week test. Short beats so it's easy to follow. Day 1, pick 1 habit and do it publicly once.
Wait, publicly? Like playing the playlist at a cafe or doing the 5 push-ups in the lounge?
Exactly. Day 2, choose 1 appearance token and wear it when you go out.
Day 3?
Practice the 3-question ritual in at least 1 conversation. Days 4 to 6, repeat the habit and token. Aim to schedule 2 follow-ups. Day 7, reflect. Did 1 signal feel natural? Did it open doors? Keep what worked, drop the rest.
Troubleshooting. If something feels inauthentic, stop. If you overwhelm someone, scale back your invite. Swap, "Want to join me tomorrow?" for, "If you ever want to, let me know." And be culturally aware. Adapt physical or close rituals depending on place.
Measure one simple thing: number of follow-up plans you actually schedule in 7 days. If it's 0, tweak one signal instead of adding more. Build one habit before scaling the kit.
If you want more structure, we built a short 7-day continuity kit mini course with daily prompts, scripts, and a private community doing the same test. Details are in the episode notes, and you can join the group to share wins.
Quick recap. 1 habit, 1 token, 1 3-question ritual. Test for 7 days. Count follow-ups. Keep what feels like you. Presence beats perfection. Small repeats make you known.
That's our practical advice for today. If you try the kit this week, DM us a highlight or drop into the mini course community. We read every note. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper. Live freer.